Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here I'm making video which was requested by one of you watching this YouTube channel, the Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And basically it looks like somebody just purchased two-wheel drive Sequoia and has a bunch of questions. One of them was, where goes gear oil on the two-wheel drive Toyota Sequoia? So obviously we are back to the basics. If you are expert on these vehicles, don't waste your time watching. This is for people who are starting and learning how to do their own maintenance. And not everybody is expert, and I appreciate the interest from the people who are really willing to work on their own cars and they are curious how to maintain them. I really do. So without further ado, let's go look for a place where could go gear oil on 2005 Sequoia two-wheel drive. So here is the coolant, here is the brake fluid, this is engine oil, right? So that's not a gear oil. Where else is some container? And here is the power steering, which is using that Dexron 3, right? The automatic transmission fluid. So none of these is the gear oil, and this is windshield wiper reservoir. So we don't have any gear oil or container for it present here. So I went ahead and lifted this truck, and hopefully we can get underneath and see at least some place where to put a gear oil. And once again the request was for the two-wheel drive Sequoia, right? So we are looking here in front. This is engine oil filter, that's AC compressor, right? Here is that engine oil pan, and what is completely missing here and makes this vehicle so simple and easy to work, that's the area where will be the front differential, the CV axles and so on. So this is fantastic. There could have been place to put a gear oil, but it's missing on this two-wheel drive vehicle. Once again, this is actually no, it's an automatic transmission pan, right, the oil pan, and that also doesn't take any gear oil. It's a ATF fluid. If we continue to the back, here is the shaft, right, and finally we are reaching the rear axle and the rear differential. And this rear differential, it's full of gear oil. Here is the drain plug. Here is the filler. Also it's a spot where you will be checking the level of the oil and also the quality. How to do that you can see in different videos on my channel. And immediately, of course, comes the question, what gear oil belongs in this, for example, 2005 Toyota Sequoia two-wheel drive? And what was the same in the previous models was the classification that it was API GL-5. But this year actually doesn't have choice of two different weights depending where the vehicle is operated. Before you had for super cold areas different numbers than for normal warmer temperature areas, and this year is taking synthetic 75 W140. So basically Toyota eliminated these two choices and they said just put that synthetic there and it will take care of entire range of use. So I hope very many people will find this video informative, right? How to replace the oil in that rear differential. I have videos on that on this channel, so that was taken care of. And please make sure you are subscribed, because I will have always way more videos coming towards to you on this channel soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.